Hi, I'm Dustin with 1 Hour Air Dallas. Some practical ways to save on your electric bill during the summer in Texas are to close your curtains, especially during the day. Fans use much less energy than a cooling system. Just remember to turn them off when you leave a room. Lastly, choose your chores wisely. Try to avoid using the oven, dishwasher, or other appliances that may heat your home during the warmer part of the day, and enjoy that Texas barbecue outside on the grill, as it should be. If you found this video helpful, please like, tag, and share. For any of your heating or air conditioning needs, give 1 Hour Air a call today. We're happy to help.